Today I am in a beautiful island called Gran Canaria Island. I took a bus ticket from airport to Gran Canaria Las Palmas, and it depends where you wanna go. It will cost you from 2.30 till €3. It's on the second lockdown, second week, and I needed to stay at home, but I needed urgently visit dentist, so I'm here. Kids price was on Canary, on this Gran Canaria, was £19 return, and I bought also the Lanzarote for £16 return, but last week I wanted to extend on here on Gran Canaria, and I bought one more ticket, one way on EasyJet for £45. But my plans are changed a little. I will not go Lanzarote, I will stay only here on this beautiful island Gran Canaria. That's because on Canarias here apply new rules. From 14 November you need on every single hotel which you're planning to stay, you need to have Covid19 test results. So if you, like me, you booked around 5 hotels around Thailand, you need to have these results, which are not cheap and quite expensive. But you no need this test if you are stay here in Canary Islands before 14 November for 15 days. If you wanna visit Canary Islands in a COVID time, based on my experience, first you need to buy, of course, air tickets, and later you will be advised to fill a form from Spanish Health Ministry. So you fill a form 48 hours before you check in, and you print it, and you need to bring with yourself the Spanish airport. So you freely go to Stansted. Nobody not ask you any questions, and you fly and you come here on Canary Islands. You go in the passport control, they check passport also, no any questions. You go and a little and see there will be around maybe 10-15 tables with health officials. They will check so what you printed the barcode, and that's it. You're free, you come here. Just one thing what is different from England, that here in any place, everywhere, anyone wear masks. Like in England, you wear mask when you're in underground stations, using public transport, you're in supermarkets, but when you are in streets alone, you not wear a mask. But here people everywhere, in every single place, wear masks. came to my hotel. The cheapest hotel in whole Las Palmas. Here in my room is the cheapest, how I told it, the cheapest room here in whole Las Palmas. It's only 51 euro for 3 nights. So I can stay here 4 days and 3 nights for 51 euros. Here is no toilet. It's a shared, you need to go outside room. Have here window. View to the stairs and have table, 1 bed. Here was other bed.
Colaborar para cuidarnos cuesta muy poco. Gracias por...
And here I came from a little shopping. I buy some food. Unfortunately here no kitchen and no kettle, nothing to cook. Restaurants I not eat because maybe we'll need to try once. Yeah, so I bought some snacks, simple food, drink water. Yeah, so if you like this video, please press like and subscribe, and next video I will walk around Las Palmas, the capital of this Gran Canaria. We'll go around city center and maybe near beach, but I think near beach I will walk for other video somewhere. So thank you very much.